Something shifted within you recently and you're trying to figure it out, aren't you? Well, this message is for you as you're starting to see the world a little differently. Welcome back to Keep Inspiration Alive. In our last video, right here, we spoke about the 6 surprising triggers that sparks a spiritual awakening within you. Today, we're now going into 7 telltale signs of a profound spiritual awakening you can't miss. Let's dive into it. Some of the things that you may be experiencing is an increased sense of peace and calmness within you. You might be going through a spiritual awakening. You might be feeling a deeper connection with nature and or the universe, and you're like, whoa, you might be having a spiritual awakening. Heightened intuition and psychic abilities. Yeah, are you experiencing that? Are you having psychic ability? You're not going crazy. You might be having a spiritual awakening. Number 4, increased interest in spirituality and personal growth. You start looking around going wow, really looking into other religions, looking into spirituality, these concepts, and I'm really noticing a spiritual growth within me. I'm starting to have new beliefs that I didn't really have before. You might be going through a spiritual awakening. Number 5, feeling a sense of detachment from material possessions and the external world. You might be having a spiritual awakening. Are you experiencing synchronicities and meaningful coincidences? Starting to see things around you, wait a minute, like angel numbers, 777, 666, 555, 444, 333, seeing all these different numbers, synchronicities. You say something, and later on it come to be. Someone else says something, it comes to be in your life. You might be having a spiritual awakening. Number 7, and the last one, feeling a deeper sense of compassion and empathy towards others. Are you starting to open up your heart chakra? You're oh man, really feeling what you're saying, feeling people's energy within and around me. You might be going through a spiritual awakening. And there you have it. I'm Mr. Michael Adams. This is Keep Inspiration Alive. Come back next time, and we're going to dive a little bit more deeper into this as we go into 7 more tales, 7 more things that could be happening to you that you may be experiencing to let you know that you're going through a spiritual awakening. And you're not crazy, you're going through a spiritual awakening. So I hope you come back next time. And go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And my promise to you is to bring you the best strategies, tools, and mindset hacks to overcome fear that is holding you back. There you have it. I'm Mr. Michael Adams. This is Keep Inspiration Alive. Till next time, toodaloo, people.